everyone, welcome back to my little channel. So today is going to be a fun paint with me video, and today I'm at one of my favorite art stores with my grandparents, and my grandpa's also a painter, so it was really fun to come in and see all these things. I grabbed this mini easel, my favorite out of today, and I wanted to get some mixed media paper. I wanted to try and make some original prints, so I thought this paper would be great to hold up to the gouache. I loved these little gouache packs. There was a 12 color one and an 18 color one, and I ended up choosing the 18 color one just for more variety. And for gouache, I think synthetic brushes are the best to use because they're nice and smooth. It was really fun picking these out, and that's my sister and my grandpa in the back, also picking out paintbrushes. Thankfully, my grandma paid for everything, so I'm super happy and thankful that I could experience this with them. And yeah, I can't wait to get started. Hi guys, so I just went to the art store with my grandparents. They're visiting for a couple weeks. It's always really nice to spend time with them because they are getting older and I don't want to take any of that time for granted, but this is one of my favorite art stores in the area, so I just wanted to show you my little art haul. So I did get the whole vine gouache set. So I actually don't know which colors are in here, so that's sort of like a little fun surprise gift for myself. Yeah, so I'm excited to open this one. There's 18 colors in this one, and I've always loved how buttery the whole vine gouaches are, so it'll be really nice to work with. In the shop, I was thinking about getting a bigger pad of the mixed media and cutting them into smaller squares, but then I found this pad which already had conveniently smaller papers, so I'm going to try to paint some originals on this mixed media paper by Strathmore. What else? Oh, I saw this little easel. This was the first thing that caught my eye in the store. It's so cute. I wanted to get it to take some product photography and just lay it right on here, or use it to dry my paintings. I don't know if drying upright will do anything, but yeah, I thought this was super cute. It's so small. I love everything small, smaller versions for some reason. And a mini Posca pen. This one's just black for some details that I might want to do, and I might bring out some colored pencils to layer with the gouache. And last but not least, I have a bunch of paintbrushes. So these are synthetic hair brushes. I think it's really nice for gouache because it's really smooth and easy application on the gouache rather than having bristles, like real hair bristles. So I got this thicker one here to lay down bigger swatches of color. And these ones are more detailed brushes. This one's a flathead brush. This one's also, they're so soft and smooth, synthetic brushes for more medium details. And I got this very itty bitty brush tip. I don't know if you can see how small it is, but this one is for really small details like eyes or outlining things. So hopefully this will be enough for the designs I want to do. Yeah, I hope you liked the little art haul, and I can't wait to start painting with you guys. Dot is loving this little plant in the back. I just thought it was so cute. She's the perfect assistant for today. So I'm just cutting these papers down into 4x6 sizes. So this is what it looks like. I just cut it in half, and it's a perfect size for mini prints. This is actually the little box I put my camera on, and she has taken ownership of it. She is the queen and I must obey her. It was so fun opening this little box. I love surprises, so I was so happy to see this really beautiful color palette, and I think I can do a lot of fun things with it. I brought out my little teddy bear jar of water for painting. I love this little guy. It's so cute and fun. It just makes the process so much more enjoyable. And these are my little paint palettes. They each have 6 slots, so it's perfect for smaller projects. I'm just rolling out some parchment paper, and this is just to protect the desk and also create a little space for me to try samples on. So it's really nice and convenient. I'm putting down some washi tape on the edges. I originally was going to do a full color print, but halfway through decided just to paint the flowers in the middle. So this ended up being a good thing for me to hold the paper down and not have it move around while I'm painting. These days in my neighborhood, so many roses have been blooming. It's been so beautiful. So I wanted to draw a little print of some simplified roses. And I layered 3 of them to try and create more depth in the print. It's been a while since I've worked with paint, since I mainly create on my iPad. So this was a really, really nice way for me to unplug and just enjoy the art process, which I've been missing for quite some time. Using a brand new set of paints is always so exciting, and I'm going to start off with the carmine color. And this is a really beautiful bright red, and I wanted to use this for the petals. So I'm going to mix this with a bit of orange, and this is actually called brilliant orange, as you can see. And I thought that the combination would give a really nice pop of color in the print. So this is a flat-headed synthetic brush that I bought from the store. It's really perfect for smaller details, so I'll be starting out with this one. So as I get started with this process, feel free to join me and grab any materials you would like, some tea or coffee, and yeah, just take this time to unplug and enjoy the process of art. And I'm going to be signing off for a little bit just to let the art and the music speak for itself. Yay, I am back, and I am so happy with how this very first print turned out. There are some wonky areas, but sometimes imperfections can also be perfect in a little print. So I really enjoyed this whole studio day. I really missed it and loved this little session. I hope you did too. And I can't wait to see you guys next week. And yeah, this is the final print. It will be available on my shop very soon. Thank you so much again, and hope to see you guys soon. Bye!